Camusidio, Camusidi, Watras, Abudia Munyansa Samqua, Camusidio, Camusidi, Watras, Abudia Munyansa Samqua.
Total Sports, Total Sports.
Timothy from Kwaba, and if you're that, say Monday to Friday, and if you're that, I wish you more come about 101.9. Yes, I was a doctor mountain at no. If you're the beer, you couldn't say, if you're someone you have a share, and strictly locally based stories. Yes, if you're someone. I don't come on no crown as a Ghanaian player. And I say, if you're a Ghanaian, I will see a kind. I watch it, so be my soul. Ghanaian, Messi, no Ronaldo, no Manchester, Bia. All right, the more Kwaba, about John Cospos, 101.9. Yes, of course. That's it. We are back again. On your search, your radio frequency on 101.9 and international. Thank you so much for making the decision and choosing the frequency 101.9. Let us say, Elsia, Emotoyosi. The last time who know Kumasi, Obonenim powder, as a focus against Asanchi Kochoko, Razak, Omotoyosi, and life. Decision. But yeah, and also I would hear me. Let me take your decision. Yes, it is paramount. We enter me as a massa from where to where, from the Ghana Premier League to the unprofessional league, amateur league in Ghana. And I want to ask here, okay? It is here now, Bazooka FC. Our Preman Temo, extreme region. So many. I want a Razak, a Motoyosi Kosiakai. Okay, and then if you are that, you didn't come on, not from Sadia. Hi, Agyenkwa for once again. Yamuakaba Sonko, one enter. No, Chinia, sorry, so I was here, Ghana Premier League. Yet was so, and the one game I told you, the Hunters, the pride of a half with the Monono. The team against Maxwell Kunetu, the Royals, Legon Cities, elsewhere in Greater Accra, not the Hunters, Etimianete, the Maxwell 3 points, what do you think? Crying, others now could be team Nanaji Abo, yes, I this year, no. All right, some of the adults, I'm a Renfi, Yamia Demochina. True crucial case because and Yankee. About 3 games because Lemon will be a Tomini Sapa. I Takwa compact. One I am Moses Parker, Mediama Sporting Club against the Continental Club Masters. Phobia Yami Admochina, give me the trigger. At 3 p.m. yours truly 101.9 Global Commentary Pet Power Premier League. The big channel for yet I'm at here for. Okay, this is the Jama. Yes, first what is saying, the promote is saying, Agyenkwa from Sunie 101.9. We did the Cassidy Obouba near Ayanwa channel, so maintaining you now of ya, and you didn't come watching it. The 29th of January. We are still in January. Monday, January. Tuesday, January. We are still in January. Boys, Nipia. You be sure you Pia. And you better cry. So Monday, it is January 30th. And then Tuesday, it is the 31st of January. Kwaku Kwada. It's Wednesday for no. Yes, we are so special. February 1st, the month of love. Yeah, the shots here next week or next day. No more Sunday. It is exactly 6 p.m. It is Kumasi Sancho Kotoko against Eastern Region Base Kotoku Royals. Yes, a big game on Sunday. Our Kumasi Apramaso 18 o'clock GMT 6 p.m. Okay, winning MP. Akuraris one day by confidence and Abayi atum nafe we would say pam at the local news, you know, at the Atuja they met here for Emma Renfi, the National Division 1 League still ongoing. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Nemum, Bobia and Nijinapa, Zone 3, Sky Power, Sky FC, Wamo Dabuase in the Western region, Dabuase, Wamueli D, Zone 2, and then Nations FC. I'm also our contrast, Kumasia, I'm also tossing me a no. Who come on, I watch media show strictly local news. If you're the BFC Sanity, I wish you and Antoine Semenyo. One also a press city this year, Ghana International, the just ended World Cup. You are Brantia Semenyo. They were across the carpet. We are joining a Premier League in England. It is Bournemouth. It is Bournemouth. It is Bournemouth. I won't come over here. Never said it here. So this and many more. My referee watching you so at 7 p.m. Ghana Black Galaxies against Niger. Ghana Black Galaxies against Niger. Yami Admochina, give us way to that. So it's fully packed here. And some more, and some P. A Lufa tablet. We were Tobinco entrance. And I tabu my name was in malaria. I don't join in for with Mudia and one Lufa tablet. And then a suspension. I come I brutal. In Tiana Pebi. Now if you were to me on malaria, be Jane. So bet me Janet here. And one entrance. And I feel you are motor bay. Tobinco. And then I'm what Lufa tablet and suspension. It's media by I will come. There be a tunton no be a pharmacy show be a with a super Lufa tablet. I am 24 dear and I'm for your money dear so as you dear friend say a suspension. I come of a dealers in paint. Who you painter? And now say now watching what's open to them open to fear. Are you from a banner? You never to fear. And now say when you are painted here and one Isaac Paint Enterprise, Isaac Niem, Yama Paint Munina, Kuku Dam, Paint Munina Macho no, Isaac Paint Enterprise, Okumasia, the dealers in paint, and also quality paint, affordable paint, what we say, emotion, oil paint, DTM, semi-gloss, satin, eggshell, and then flat, yellow waterproof paint, concrete stainless, and then stabilizer paint. Yes, yeah. I'm on only painting Kwani at home. Strictly American paint. And a ton. Our Isaac Paint Enterprise. Kumasi Tipsy Borden. Crowfom. Abrosana Swap. Our Tipsy Borden. Abrosana say the Polygon Station. Utotua. That's a Isaac Paint. Crowfom traffic lights. No. Rosana Basanako Ashtown. Na Utua some Tipsy Borden. Abrosana say on Sabaka Isaac Paint. Isaac near original paint dealer. Afe controller bros and us here. One of the Chinese war was Sabaka Isaac Paint. Isaac near and to painters and more chrome. So when you do be not so here paint the year. I just a born one from Fanamba is here. It is 0343975 756 0343975 0343975 Isaac Painting here. Bagan you remember Chiao. Okay. Coffee transit. Of course, I bash, digital, satellite, bash in here, decoders in here, bash in here, installation here. About Leonardo, Ronaldo, that's why she brutal. And then can I say more of ya? But then, yeah, fans of Ronaldo, and I was Super Cup in Saudi Arabia. Both free and Nasri. And yet, Bomo 3 goes to 1. Nyasam Kotua. But then, what is it? We hear Saudi Arabia League, we hear Spanish La Liga, Italian League, Bundesliga, and then the most watched league, the created league, competitive league, that is the Premier League. And one to say, open the cheap one more decoder pa, decoders, decoders, and one a bus in you, and then of course, decoders in you. All right, yeah, Ghana Plus decoders, start times toward Ghana League, Go TV, DSTV, John decoders, and 10 many more. Pasha, next time, our PFN is Masia, Kotoko Junction, our Brepo, Kotoko Junction, our Brepo, Osabekayen, Afe, Yane, Shipas, no, and the team anymore, Pass the guitar, yeah, Juma, Sundays, Mina, yeah, Juma, our Yasoya, Abrepo, Kotoko Junction, the number, I have 055 62 877 57 055 62 877 57. All right, Agyenkwa boys yan antu okrom and nay yan fantasy biem and nay yan fatrotro and internet na swift go I will come and say Ghana ha and one of the nantie swift go near excellence in motion swift go proudly Ghanaian safe, reliable, affordable swift go, the easiest way to move in Kumasi and then in the country. Ebini Mukrum Kupum for here should go near. And one is Oko phone as well, say Play Store. And now say we use Android, Oko Play Store. Not for download this Swift Go, SWIFT, down the go naka home. If I saw one issue up on us, no, but here you see another Android iPhones, no call the Biamotomo no mana, no Swift Go, SWIFTGO. Download Swift Go, you enjoy 40%, 100% discount as a reward. Swift Go, you are the best in Ghana. Kumasi, you are the Garden City. Yo, baby, are you safe? Are you come on? Okay, 101.9. If you are the BF, Ghana, some didn't come on. Now, from Sadia TM, neighbor. Okay, Professor.
Boss, Nyamia, or my home is also here. I won't fight the Nyamia, see, and Pie Bonnie, a fasting major. Once I talk a crown of the was here yesterday. So, okay, I'm here. Okay, a bedroom,
okay, I came for some yesterday.
Copada will be on here.
I came on where them all.
As a came in that Oscar. I was in Academy, Juma, Edima, Vita Stars Academy, second division. I wagona. Okay. Timinaja, see you, small boy. Intino, me and Jam, HD, woman, Kakranga, Seja, or meet me about. To say in the year, you see about face division. Was I finished fit the Abasakan? One Kakranga class in
Why? One more footed division.
Vita Stars, I finished fit the Abasakan, second division, Crable class is any other.
101.9.
I say teams near 7, any adapted. Tia Bokon Kakranga class, I made out of my beat me a came the next season. It's me. I say, Tiakra, who black galazi.
Okay.
I'll get him watching. I cried. Didn't look to Kuroyas and only name one. I just walk up here bag galazi. Kakranka Kala. Last week, I said, Tom Baco, some Tamale City.
Oh, okay.
Business, Nana, you calling Kakranga Kala.
Okay. Yababa, you have a dinkum. Why? Then local news no by. Feeling some na your castle be decline here. And now so be according to a braboma. Asante Casa no. A ya na ye can't sing. The ma akonichi our brabom. Your castle be akonichi our braboma. As I say,
boss. I Cassidy obi ana konechi e wa brabo ma me hu ni say
Total Sports.
Obestati akọ but all kono e ho ne enkosi ni yi a ni ma me ko start mfi ba bia me start fi ye de bae no e bia ne ho so na akọ de akọ boa no intino example ya make mani akọ si Patrick Razak so e na me make because be watu kan akọ bo gini ohoro ya akọ bo abebo ha so folk atu kan akọ bo ne obae a wasa konechi e akọ bo second division e wo Eastern region it me hu ni say hwe no amana ba mambu abrabo no ni nyina ka ho bi it e bia ho no akọ no who knows e bia no ofiri ho na straight akọ me akasem team Chelsea e wo UK it no Patrick
onim no fie de
they say Patrick was a clever say obenya 30 years 30 plus years Patrick was
okay no ma ya na me ntiase baby am fees am ye comfortable no ho no fees am ko bo me bra me okay
Musidi ne kwana no aka ohun ni say because don't forget say ene ya na mtie na me hwe Ganiru so tu kwan kokobobo Saudi Arabia na no ba ye TP Mazembe for asan Ganiru ko akosi na kan ho say no bia no say Ganiru ayembre because TP Mazembe ni so de no mo fa player me find say at least and age no e wo form betimi ya de aton enye skabat o metimi afa Ganiru dia it me hu ni say Patrick Razak hu ni say Eastern region ho na wo ko no say ho ni
101.9
and the former club and
the former club sanity
and the former club masa asama kano I'm not getting you. Patrick Razak got second division. So also Mobo second division.
Second division.
Only second division.
Second division.
You see? It is Philip, what I hate is me discuss it will be the decision. If I take my decision,
you don't discuss it.
No, like say, baby, now we'll discuss. I get angry because you don't know why I took that decision. What do I say?
Sanity.
Patrick Razak. It's unfortunate that I was here discussing because or a footballer, you can answer. But you make what I say. Now, what here you can decide is what I'm going to say. Until come in your radio beam, but people will be peeved. But so now question how agona so ayi ho ahwan no asama ho should go ni ho what do you say agona asama ho pizza man kura ni ade sa nkofu akese but ufi say ho na me kwa ebeboa me but we are looking at a player just last season Kotoko versus us ayo no ball pad on enemy I mean all of a sudden Razak say we call second division a unprofessional league in Ghana, amateur league in Ghana, Yemtianeka, Sani and second division.
Kwaku, they say we say decision will be taken as a decision. In fact, any people taking decision who say, oh, discuss this decision.
Yeah.
Eddie obey peeved because one should then knew what actually went into taking that decision. Patrick was that situation. Because Kwaku say a lot of Premier League clubs would have wished to sign that boy.
Exactly.
Because a very fine player.
Agyenkwa
Patrick Razak is a bad player. And even your Premier League here, say we bear 10 wingers. Half of them at the point I know you're playing time. But Razak are consistent about 10 games. If not the best winger in the league, or be among the 3 best wingers in the Best Power Premier League. But he said this decision is he's going to amateur. That is the Division 2.
Yeah.
Because hono, tell them because yentua can swampa. But obeying to me free house of folk in the person of Patrick Razak. So what about Division 2 side? So the decision all take say, okay, my main call me want to be coaching career. My main question idea kakra every this technical man ho. Now in the course of that the whole depression will make my coaching career. And I say be coaching badges. Nobody can tell me say that's so many side debate my culture part as I say no. I know that me per a close source. HM say it's not only about the football and Razak
by Brandon.
Yeah, it's part of it.
Agyenkwa FM.
And minimum say Razak age new Korean Razak is about 33-34 years.
Yes.
And come back to Division 2 there. Ghana 34 years, it means that gradually you are ending your career. And at 34, maybe feel say there's a different reason behind them.
Like
playing on the pitch.
And then this switch nature say Patrick beside or the football no
that is the point. Say the likes of Luis Suarez and Ronaldo at the point in time now Sporting CP for say Sporting
CP Premier League or top league in Portugal.
No, but the point is back to your roots. That is the caption.
Back to your roots.
But I baby, I shall say free. Messi mo bia mo say no old boys there. That be no say wan ko bobi kura mo kura na at least obese Jesse aboko e bia the fairway game. No den a obese Jesse no old boys. Ebia Barcelona. I think that is 1.9. Joan Laporte and Beso Omoye Mama so to be Bobasa retire. It will be New Old Boys and Barcelona. The one person celebrating Messi. And going back to your roots, there's nothing wrong with that. And say that I believe that there is more to it than to playing the football on the pitch. Okay. This is now what taking on. It's not only about going to play the football. There is more to it. And said the Prince it could be say giving back to the society because I'm a big boy. My boy Premier League da. Mako Horoya, e will Guinea Kobo. And of course, this is the moment the brand Patrick Razak, let my people at home feel me. Or feel my presence in the league. And I say Division 2 league about the Eastern region. And I think that wouldn't be about decision at all. Yeah. And Razak decision, for me, Kwaku, a decision. You can't discuss it too much.
Razak born a freedom.
Oh, mean to me, I say freedom because has of the few minutes now a boy, Not on your bad. Not on your bad.
Okay.
The few minutes our boy has of answer the few games are when you're a boy has of folk this season. Now Razak and your bad.
Camera is there.
Me for me for now. Mini the bad about that.
Don't forget say Malika Ku and so sign and say man Nation FC.
No, on Nation FC boy professional division 1 league. You understand?
It will make me answer and Patrick was again. I don't know. I just said Kai na Cassidy. Say na ban say na ma yen na yehu say Sana Patrick was a starting team go Eastern region. And then unveiling in our cosmo was enter Rashid never to so F. Is I mean was a second division because Patrick was a gamba and Casablanca the winner and came consume.
All right, I'll grow also try. Yemfa a year local news kakrantoaso and a fears game between Hearts of Folk and the media matchna. Yenya reports bebre media fortures some still watching house or some only 3 points in about Hearts of Folk. I'm also a comedian man, has the ownership now. And can you afford game, but still has for say Omokora as a Kotokonia good resource and the mediama. I will one Casemi no and but a home come ebeba Kotoku Royals. I grant a whole lot of interviews in Kumasia. Omocha Sequesiada, Asantima Badan Temper, Martin cry no Sinata 8. Na to media no air yet. Your sister and friend is about to be Biaboa. Na ojira bibi so DNT and nkofo no enya that fame that zeal said they will beat us Asante Kotoko on Sunday ewo eye Kumasi ha abromo efri eye Eastern region eba ohwe league no kra na Kotoku Royals omo ba omo ye omo twat ase ho omo kan bia omo we but omo say Sunday omo ebese party no ewo Kumasi ama referee says Saturday ocha Ghana Black Galaxies so a crucial game against Niger. Canin carry Niger bank will be other, but Ubia who born no born on Niger for the check the locally based. Me a your monya toa. Arches and no crimea conya as I shall replay Nibia. Now, any awesome control crime to the enter. A watching quack if you ha na oni ebeche. Internet dear a fear some qua a man refi as a 101.9 megahertz and our Sugusha with Timothy Eddie Obouba or Serco Cassidy Coffee Nafi Yakuti some kakra ewa just a Akurarisha confidence Abuabuanwa. What a baby about fine what so Ujina Midi Kodia sorry
Kobasari.
Oh Kobasari. Now call and now offering in Tia. Hey Basri Papa. Okay, that's good, fantastic. Okay. Tea coffee. JJ Mukakre na afi yento aso yenko wadaroma yenko
wo enti emrena sansu bio se enanwumre nso yetime chana se na afi efisem no yetime edene nyina enso etime ba yewie pe abegyafo abesi nkunya afi balls player ene omo enso etima to so amanema enso etime kama nanwumre ensa no in fact edos ye pop ene momo no ye bomodin se behwe ni nyina enso etime ajagu enso de bibia obi antami chuku ni nyina enso eba ne momo no eya aboafo bi adaroma na enanwumre amaso ya se no total sports and so at the local news no and so at the by first than be and fa masking city laboratory from penny for omoda roma and must see ye wonam dia no and so etimi I come mekai enu anwumre ye pon total sports in the PSC for ma ana brebi ebo pino busam say confidence one kasa boss obobo say Kwaku Cassidy in fact body na kuta no aya me feye papa gangan kala nyina and so and say skin city laboratory from penny for adaroma ana cheso so etimi ehwe emanema and so etimi I come so person honam no and so eto so ye black ope enku papa enso etimi da fa so ye kokko ni nyina so no omo be hwe enso etimi aboa amaniema enso etimi ay kama enso etimi edema sanso na nana fofo no golozi spiritual na herbal center omo nyina da roma omo so eboa sa yare sanso adwuma mo sensa aroyom sensa akonto mo sensa no nyina so no ensasa mo sensa ska mo sensam aye aroyom sensa god mo sensa no nyina so no udoni echirem enso e opeti number 2 oboase quantum points ho ana me pacho bomu nana fofo no golosi spiritual of herbal center from pay for na fe no mo so etimedi nkomo from enso 051 67 857 0245 1678 57 na fe no me pacho ni pay for enso etim edin komo sanso na entrance university college and of health and science admission 2022-2023 no eno so eguso no so ekoso ameripam no ye di omo sam enso betima bet sanso na Kenny Rose internet solution omo nyina enso ebo sanso na APSC free enterprise omada roma ana nanwumre yatena se ye di local news no enso edi eba baby bia obia chese enya sem de mom yan hase enfam free chan tournament na se sanse jumadia wodo bebre enso na ekoso ensem ana from eba coach ana waka ensem etudwa sanso ana empanfo wodo mo di tim na chinyina no enso edi ensem etudwa ni ye bo modina afede ni nyina enso etimi edi mama ema renfi se Algeria ana fi Ivory Coast edi boy ni game eba na we na chese Algeria enso etimi ashe ba ko ama chese Ivory Coast enso entimi anya wo hwe abanta ni didi kuosi yao odo timi enya emepacho team enya record sanso na Branton Alex and the team enya only go at the Emma Algeria for to say enya sanso na Senegal and from Mauritania at the airborne in Sabre game no and also egusu ekos edachina Madagascar and afa Mozambique and so ebetimi da born 4:00 p.m. and aside game and also no ebetimi atoya sanso na dachina big game no and so Ghana and afa Niger 7:00 p.m. and a big game no and also to way any games awodwa and also ebetimi atoja chan tournament no so no ekos why the ensem nyina so no e de MT for enanwumre enso total sports no so na coach anawaka e de ensem atoja tie ensem awura ne din enso coach anawaka e kan nyina o se o ye Ghana ni anya abotre na fa mpaebo na ema enema enso entimi enye kama na mo players ne de omo so e de bibia enso etimi agwa kom se kon bia so e de tena Niger de omo so betimi mo chi enso etimi akafom amanyema enso etimi aye kama no e ensem a owura ne din so anawaka na nwumre ono so etimi de atoja de wonsam no e de ema tie for na nwumre enso e wo total sports and so na media officer enso e de ma black galas me no kasai owura ne din so William Bossman enso etimi akasa na utie owura ne nsem na okan nyina o se aso obehwe motivation e camp ano wadin place no omo so edide omo nkomo se game de kwan bia so omo awiata so omo so betima din kunim se ne be ya Ghana e de esere enso betima be hye yanim ema amatesane ma enso etimi aye kamera nwumre atena se e wo total sports no so na afutu a eko e de ma coach ano waka e owura ne din enso de maso akrodu na owura ne din maso akrodu e de atudwa e kirem se o se coach ano waka ono de na futu sem ba ko pe ano betimi na ma no ade abebo pa enso no se penalties no so mutimi etratra bia enso training grounds esanse ba bia sabre tournament na du no bibia enso etimi ese Ghana de ye kojina penalty na se ye bo ena go fan sempi enso etimi da banti coach maso akonadu e de atudwa so no di ade ba ko besere owura ni di enso anawoka ana fitakede ka tim no se o mo be ye enso no se penalty shootout no enema ba ko benu mensa se o mo so no etimi eyan wadwuma e o training ground se ne be ya enema enso ebetimi aye kama anton semenyo me no kasai AFC Bemofonso no etimi asan officially enanwumre eno so ye de ewonsem nyina so no e de tudwa de amama no kasa ka fo mpanfo enso etimi de nsam pi tudwa na otie nsam a car for paying for the air to job was the country Ghana for a few years of an engineer said yes car at that chan tournament and so almost so at me increasing to 60% just say any some Dominic say almost what better medicano on Sabacan $2 million US, not just also what imagine now they call not just a name and so at my come off a run up on $800,000 and I just also on Samson Ebetimaka Samson at 10 and 4 place no Emmy part of $5,000 dollars and also on Sa and so Ebetimaka and no latest reporter and no South Africa from paying for us but Samson drew a quarter finals on Sa and so Ebetimaka $400,000 and no latest reporter and no South Africa as well and so by the one seminal and so at the air to the mighty for I will away from Chan tournament sense Uram, our Ghana Football Association from paying for so yeah, and then you almost so at me at the Abana almost say almost stakeholders and a Ghana Premier League clubs and all, sir, it's a CID, Samach no Ababasu, Adibakua, as I said, Tim's no answer to me, and soon as I put me and so 1 minute silence. At the former Ghana Football Association President Renity, and so the Alhaji MND Jawara, not just a name, and so at me I comment not just and Sambono, and so a cost almost a silence in the moment. As a sense, and also etimi echoes say Ghana Premier League match. Say a Access Bank, a Division 1, no, Sansa Women's Premier League in National, Ninians, and so etim 820, and no, a latest reporter, and also free Ghana Football Association, and you almost so etimi Bayatana say our total sports, and so on, and so at the air to the Amama Jumadan, so na Mr. Abepobi, yes, Machamedasi, and then you or then someone to Jana Utie or run it down so the Mr. Abepobi and some waka or say on the foot to Adama or running team and so the James Akosia Pia Mayele and it's on dear and Tempaso Onchen for national job on him essence or the Kako Anyaye or Sako Anyaye and whatever even Pono what the Kaka and Sembebre and so the Etim Ghana Football Association of Fia or Wako there and so El Honum and see already did Mr. Abepobi and the two already did James Akosia Pia Mayele and Miss Ono dear Nanka Abaya national team job on Onchen from essence on the onion show. Sir and paying for and so betting the Jumano and so at me at the man, I don't want someone at the amateur for now. Baby jet as a more jam and your bacono no meno say any manager already did any ado adding some out to judge for already and so the James Akosia Pia Mayele Hona and some already did some any ado at the out to judging and say a year Akosia Pia a year Ghana Football Association and some okay at the form morning or say already a foot of Akope and obey me at the Amor and did James Akosia Pia. Set names Samana was starting Okano on just only GDB and also no ebetimi abonti tempo so on fast answer mina and so intimi and Ghana football no yam pet into my pabi and frasana beya ebetimi aya attractive amateur seniama and so etimi aya comment and no ayan some and then any mado and so etimi edi atujan coach Abdul Karim Zito and a day and 70p to jayo na utie already coach Abdul Karim Zito esanse edachina Niger and of Ghana and a day airborne na Orendi ade Abdul Karim Zito ade atuja sa ono de afuto ba akopɛ ana ɔde ɛma ayɛ team Ghana ne nyinaa ɛnso ɛne sɛ Nigeria team ne deɛ ne kwan sɛ ɔmo to etimi underrating no sɛ ɔmo timi ɛnhyɛ ɔmo na mmom no football de bibia etimi sɛ 90 minutes ana yɛ bɔ nti ɔno deɛ ne futu sɛm wɔwɔ ɛnso ɛne sɛ ɛyɛ team Ghana mekyerɛ Black Galaxies no ɔmo so etimi underrating Nigeria team no nyɛ sradeɛ a ɛmtimi ɛmo akwa na Orendi ɛnso de Jordan Opoku ɛyɛ former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player na Orendi ade atuja sɛ in fact ɛyɛ tournament na ekoso no ono so etima television echi etima hwe bia na ohu Ghana modern bone de e modern bo se fa hu afa Ghana modern bone nya de a eno so ebetimi abo odide se yentimi en qualify mpo na trophy mpo no yetimi akwakoje e de ba Ghana eno eyensema former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player already din enso de Jordan Opoku enso etimi e de acho sanso na Steven Manu bie enso de futuo enso etimi e de akode ma chantem no se omo so no eni kwa se omo so underrating Nigeria tem no esanse omo modern baby omura o chesoma baduru de eno so e wo so nti ono de futusem ana obetimi e de amamo e de sanse no nyina so no e de ema team na mom arawosem enso ene se eye Ghana team Ghana eye first 11 e group stage no mini no enya de Ghana player bia enso etimi ewura mu bia akwakwaya arawosem a ye de ehusem nyina e de etodwa o hwa emodin bo wura ne din Daniel Free Bania ebo afei glass na wa komone eye abante ne krodi adom ebo a na o hwa eye team 11 ebo abonta mu di enka wono dia akwakwaya nsempi bi ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm na numere ɛno so yɛtena se ɛwɔ total sports ne so a yɛde ne nyina ɛnso ɛde ɛba na away from national issues ne wrem ɛwɔ club issues na afei yɛmfa nsɛm kakra ɛnso ɛntimi ɛmfa nto gya me wrem ɛwɔ House of Folk camp na nsɛm a ɛno so ɛfiri ɔba ne nyina no yɛtimi ɛde ato gya na House of Folk ɔwurandi ɛnso Vincent Odeto so a ana atoto bi ɛde amane Aziz Haruna Futa ɛsan sɛ kɔtena radio so atoto bi ɛde mane house management no sɛ problem ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ House of Folk ne nyina no ɛyɛ ɔmo ana akresi ne nyina na ɛno ana ɔwura ne din ɛnso de Vincent Odeto so a ɛnso nya akonya kɔtena radio so ana no so ɛtima atoto bi ɛde amane ɔwura ne din so de Aziz Haruna Futa sɛ in fact nyansani ɛnkasa saa sɛbi obi anim nyansa paa kɔtena radio so a ɛnya ade obɛtima bi na no akasa nsɛm ɔno deɛ wɔn sɛ ɔwura ne din de Aziz Haruna Futa nyansa pa de nyansa deɛ in fact papa no ɛnso ɛni bi ɛno ɛnso ɛyɛ nsɛm a ɔwura ne din ɛnso de Vincent Odeto so a ɛnso ɛtimi ɛde ato gya na anso no ma ana ɛyɛ ne nua baako ɔwura ne Alhaji Akambi ɛnso de nsɛm ato gya na ɔso ɔno deɛ in fact sɛ ɔreti House of Folk board ne ɔwɔ sɛsia na ɔbɛma mo 99% ɛsan sɛ mɔde mo ɔmabɔ no ana wɔgyina so ɛnso timi aka sɛ nti Alhaji Akambi se House of Folk board no sɛ already oma obama mo 99% ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm a ɛba na meda so House of Folk ne de ɛna nwumre nsɛm a ɛba no ɛnya asɛm ketewa ne nyinaa ɛne sɛ already de Slavko Matic ana mo no ka sɛ ɔno so ɛtemi de rules and regulations no ɛso temi go ram ɛwɔ House of Folk na coach Slavko Matic 1 ɔse any concern sɛ team no ɛkɔ for game a jama bia ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ team bas nim coach Slavko Matic ɛde ato dwa sɛ House of Folk ɛkɔ game a ɛni kɔ sɛ jama bia ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ team bas nim so ɔmo kɔ na ɔmo wini no so ɔmo ɛba deɛ a ɛsɛ sɛ team ɛyɛ adwuma 2 ɛni kɔ sɛ officials bia ɛbɛn team no ɛwɔ camp sɛbi ɛwɔ ɛnya baabi a ɔmo da team camp no ɛwɔ baabi a players ne da ɛnkyɛn ni kɔ sɛ ɔyɛ management member board member ɔnso ɛteam ɛbɛn team no wɔn mana so no ma ɔso yɛ security man so a mɛmɛn team no in fact nsɛm a Slavko Matic ɛde awuram ɛwɔ House of Folk no ɛdɔs yɛ pɔpɔpɔ mi ogye sɛ abɛdwafoɔ ɛnso ɛbɛtena so ɔmo bɛhwɛ n'afɛ ɔmo so ɛtimi ɛde ɛho nkɔmɔ na wote sɛ boss plan n'afɛ abɛdwafoɔ ɛdi aberanteɛ ne Patrick Razak yes ɔmo to yɛsi yes sɛ ɛmo no ka sɛ ɔno so ɛtimi awuram ɛwɔ Somenya Division 2 side ɛyɛ Bazooka FC ɛhɔ ana aberanteɛ no ɛnso kɔkɔ sina kan ama kyɛ sɛ ɛnneɛma ɛnso ɛtimi ayɛ kamara Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana mewuram David Obinyako ɛnso ɛtimi atudwa sɛ in fact defenders no enya de enema enso ekoye ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko sanso na attackers no enya de omode bo enso account no de omoto optimi di ebi enso betima be retim nim ama chese enema enso etimi ay kama Patrick asthma ni injury on sense no kasa ono so after recovery no ono so eye adwuma sanso no figure na fezeze omunyina so etimi aponso baka enya asem nyamo no owura ni David Obinyako na nwumre odi atudwa sa branch ni de modasero self still oda so eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko player so wi a ono ankasa betima decide se obetira ho ana so obeba back ababesi akan enso etimi da Kumasi Asante Kotoko wa mana so no ma ana to so kire mu se in fact Sasian Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no omo ehwem se one day ebetima tana kwa wuram e academy na chese amanyema enso etima kam na mom game Kumasi Asante Kotoko na fe Kotoko Royals e de koboni no eye 10 20 30 50 Ghana cedis ana me pacho omo beji ni gate ama chese nema enso etimi aye kama popular stand no eye 10 center light 20 ana fe wings no eye 30 VIP no eye 50 Ghana cedis e ode won sem no enso etimi de ba enanwum ya tena se e o total sports so obunkotoje edin sa egunsa yam se ono de osre supporters na nkasa some tibi ba stadium se de baya enema enso ebetimi aye kama no oran dindi eye okocha yes uram e wotema ono e Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters chairman odi atoja say in fact ade ba ko a emwa ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no eye me pato supporters in entimi ko stadium enko support team nyina so no eye ne kan say e ticket no in fact o say na no ho no ma no be friends bra se wan kan kira mpanyfo ama tese omo so enya sa e ticket ho sensam no de enya do betima stadium obio e sanse e ticket no enya de a eno so ebo aso kwose ebusa se eno so e kan bi ena ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no enko bram e wo stadium enko hwe games na eno aya me pacho and some already din enso di okocha enso team dia tudwa ye de ehun sam no e di eba former Ashanti God players we me no ka say report eba patch say 90% apia makati anafe Stephen Osupa na hene ombeti mebram Go Stars amanyama enso etimi aye kama mediama game against House of Folk me no ka say romo mediama takwa aso ya ameno ka se empanfo ahyebo bebre se kon bia so media ma enfa house folk achi enso entimi enka from se ne ba ya enema enso ebetimi aka ma sanso na baba ya Kimfes abrante no e de atidwa se ono de nema egu akom se ne ba ya game no against Samatas no enema enso ebetimi ayaka ma abedina go tete meno ka so officially ono so etima journey eye bebe go stars ya ye de enwo se ma e de sanso na eliminate sharks meno ka say omo so etima appointing new coach eye former Bushap Drafts already doing so the NS Thompson Kote ono na no sisi ameno ka say empanyfo enso etima appointing so ono na meshe ema chese eye eliminate sharks boboko no entimi enfa no tuma pa enso entimi sanso na Steven Menu bie e de tuja say coach Zebo aya Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach oma no me no so esanse Kotoko team no onu se esenke ana esenke nti ono de afutu se bode ma Zebo se omo so betim atoto ne ma amacha se ne ma enso etimi aya kama Ghana Premier League bet power yes match day 14 and a game baako enso etimi eto Legon Cities ehye baako ema Beche United enso ehye Academy asa abrante ni din ede Emmanuel Avonyo Samson Clinton Diodu Hafiz Konkoni wemo ene emante be pacho miensa omo enya gonna for appointed Alex enso timinya only go at the Legon Cities at the one no enso at the to yamano ka say at that games no air to so Great Olympics and Africa United at the Airborne Tamale City and Africa Gold Stars media mine house of folk enso ebetim adam saso na Sunday out to you and Africa in Swaterman Samatas and Africa Kingfisher Brekum Chelsea and Africa Dreams Adona Stars and Africa Accra Lions and Africa Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Africa Kotuku Reyes enso betim da born 6 p.m. and I get betim atoja enso ewo Baba Sports Stadium ya de enwo sem nyina enso e de mam sanso na Division 1 League no matches no enso ebeti atwa so me pacho zone 1 say ana me pacho eno so esitie in Kranza Royals ana fe Mighty Royals enso ebeti me e born sanso na Young Apostles ana fe Bofoko Tano enso ebeti me born BA United ana fe Brekum Arsenal enso ebeti na sanso na Unity FC ana fe Bafo Soccer Academy enso ebeti me born sanso na Kumbu Bibiam ana fe Step Fast enso ebeti me born 11 Wonders ana fe Kasana Yankana
my zone 2 na Kasana Yankana money at the infantry na Yanjwe zone 2 no na edom eni nyina esa ochina MC Jojo etina mu gedegedegedi chese has match no chama so I prepared for ochina there yanjwe zone 2
Mati zone 2 say na first session eno so sitie Kimpon Academy
why
Kimpon Academy.
Okay.
Amone Basake Holy Stars.
Basake.
Yes.
From Western region.
Yes. Samson Abusan Drafts and Afe Soccer Intellectuals.
Okay.
New Edubiase any a second FC.
Okay.
Sky FC and Afe Wafa. And Afe Future Stars.
Sky una near radio station una. Or no. So unimono. On a friend or big bro. Okay, big bro. Omuna Ash FM those days war. On a junction, no, so on a normal body, no. Tis a big bro, on back on Omonia Brio, International Symphony, or more already. Almost upon our radio station, me, no, Western region, West Gold, and a Sky Power FM. Oh, says Sky, dear. Me station back on not to make a boy hook a cranty. Sorry,
Future Stars, and Sony Elimination Stars, and Afe Sodo Oblast, and Ascot Deportivo, and Afe ASF All Stars, and Afe Inzima Kotoko, and Afe Nations FC, and a Pacific Heroes, and so
Nations in the Pacific
Heroes, yes, and
a Sky is here no table Nukutao.
Table Nukutamia.
Who need table no better? Okay, and a Sky for that first, and a Nation FC. I'm about first round and I'm go so bono. Yeah. But we ma and a Nation war. Oh, we are off Kafra.
Sky were 25 points. Nation say were 24 points. And see Sana say 1 point and a separate two. 1 point and a separate Sky and the Nations FC.
Or the amount. I'm sure in the near the 11 matches played so far. 11 no biabo obi any outstanding game nti ebusia na obenya akonya no join ye Kotoku Royal say game against Kotoko Sunday we Kotoko supporter just forget it na minim say bion best supporters back
101.9
Kotoko for them forget that match and then one say for the first time some ma akrada emunim say the baba yara akrate this is the first time I'm about against a Premier League club in Kumasi.
Yeah.
Because I'm a new entrance.
Exactly.
But I'm not supporters. Sunday, I'm
what was almost started Ekasa, Omu PR no Ekasa from last Tuesday.
Total Sports.
Yeah.
And I can say Kotoko match no move Kotoko aya dear cra no a draw. Say Kotoko prepare so mupe winner. They should forget it. Tuesday, as a Tuesday, and not Omumba.
But Obinya Kuma Juma, Ebia Mo, yes, and go Vaba Park. Kotokuru as Gos, Kotoko supporter be say, someone is Shokotokuru as 5. Team Nippon, Bejina place Nina, or someone show me 5. And to try and piano, and for Beche for winning, or more. You got to go from Kakra. Sir? Yes. It's a better for no every other second. Oh, so you are book master. Yes, yeah. Thank us. I don't come here. But what do we say? For the work of the game. Sometimes, just forget it. But Kotoko Mwaza. It's Sky for our 1 hour 25 points. Goal difference, 12 goals for Sky FC. And then Nations FC were 24 points. You see, I can't want to be qualifier. Yeah, justice to the table. They see, I didn't call baby 11 matches. And I able. It was Filippo said we be Cassidy, chairman. Me sure so we be Daniel baby out because we are whatever my better handle. Okay. Rashid Suaha and Petim man. So Ewaha. Prince father Aswaha or no so you're better than and the Kofi hours such as why she it's a bad boy. Kofi hours so I say
15 seconds. Yes. I want to be the Ike. And the baby I be me pour in a private BC, you know. Oguzwa wuti wabo me panka wa ku na baby a traffic nzi da no share or then traffic I then a private car na bomb air condition ade be see adwuma no and the petrol boy then obi to me do free a binchi one mo be pie ha do mo so wabo
so kai na wo bi na ja wu ton na ja ja esa we investor die
Kwaku
obi say obi so invest ya man ni only if you nyina mo tenant of you eduma we die o okay time no call it mama yen fast Philip Bashase na yevia na Rashid so abetrance na Prince abetrance na no be na so no am be demand na by order I'm doing by paying order chairman yeah call na return my Philip
yen check for na omunso monitor show no Facebook no so account na ma fi say Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Agyenkwa
Total Sports
101.9 nti okwa o like na wa share na wa drop your comment now fi Cassidy answer can na etimi the amount Kwaku before say me sha ase no ma me nko so yebo na menye sa de we mfamfiri o na ye me ankasa me hu ni pa bi oba kama pa abena cutie na ya abena cutie birthday bebre na friend mommy okwa so yebo bebre na friend mommy ti said ye Kwaku boni tinko ne de minim se bia
zare men kam ma asem me se wa
anti na ye abena cute birthday bebre na friend mommy okwa eso yebo anti special happy birthday and confirm abena
Agyenkwa 101.9
oye de adwuma na ti kwan wo he ana odi ana nka ho oh okay
abena you be a adia minim ne say we are very humble we are very humble pa
o say na ti kwan na adwuma fo 8 ya say na adwuma o say abena cute de wo mo do so location ya esi abo de udiem asoro kwanta
side ho na
oye de adwuma
say o de wo pedito say pon na o sia na ye ko monti na abena birthday nti special happy birthday ko de ama abena cute
okay
awo ti asu ye bo ho pon sha na de bia wo ye bia on ton super
fantastic yankwe
and confidence the story be aba price money for the chan now $2 million as a prize money. Now it means that so what to the ultimate now, you are bringing home $2 million. So this is where we are now. I'm saying about 3 days. Now we didn't come on air, and now all players are. I say other national teams who are crying out loud. Say Omufi say the treatment for the Black Stars, are bigger than the other national teams. Of course, Mekacho has said it should be because Entiminya Peda says here and we are fighting for $2 million. So in this case, I was saying every budget be about this national team Nibiano. I was here making sure say Sika best spending on no even $1 million because as we speak, Kwaku final you say be a final and say uncle finals. But if there's a Ghana team driven a finals, when I say a final trophy now, and I say a trophy now, I was say you spend the cry be $1 million. Why? Because you ain't even Koboka.
But I disagree.
Why do you have to disagree?
Okay. I want to say
the only thing me can say you are going to fight for $2 million as the ultimate and it only makes sense.
101.9.
Say at the end of $2 million, you can't spend in excess over $2 million.
Also,
of course.
But Matieti Zamalekene Nadi Ali in club football and more running football. No, even in national teams, they will tell you say the amount of money or more they share a particular competition being the league. So what's your prize money? That's why. It doesn't come near a yesikana or the ultimate, And I said, don't be free mono. But and the munyamuna a debre alin, you go only go and check the prize money at that Champions League in Africa. Now correct the spendings of the North Africans and some of the teams of Musika. It exceeds the prize money. But I make what I say.
I will explain that.
Okay, then explain that.
The point is that Kwaku. Let's assume say you have a club now.
Okay.
ABR, what a club for? After you about Ghana Premier League, when you're promotion. When you're promotion, when you Premier League that.
I think
so now you need to invest. But typical example, Ghana Stars Football Club. On the first time, 2009 under Coach Ebetado.
Yeah, the late.
They came straight and they won the Premier League. Because now my investment to Division 1. Look at players from the likes of Kofi Abanga, Monokro, Kohas, and a couple of other players here. A boy out from Division 1 they buy. So what I'm saying is that club football, no again. Because club football here, say be all your house, even Africa. What target is that should be an Obedi CAF Champions League, right? And also Obedi CAF Confederations Cup. And to want to mean Castle, I'm going to play in the CAF competition for the first time. Number here, Sikana that's maybe a $2 million in Tino. I need not to spend more. There be an investment now. Say the you will get a big team. Ali, a team. How many times normally CAF Champions League?
101.9.
And the previous investment of my clubs, they reap. Repeat. Chakwaba.
A bit to say. Plus, Tony.
Very good. And Ali, as a football clubber, Champions League to 3 times.
So every tournament I'll see Jessica or the bro.
That is the point.
Is it that is what we are looking for?
This is the national team.
Is it what we are looking for? As to see say Black Galaxy. Yeah, let's go back to the World Cup.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know the amount of money you're spending here. But I'm very sure say you're the ultimate buyer. Let's use though in Argentina got about $40 million. When they won the 11.5.
Yeah.
But competition be also this Sikamba. Sikana ye and I say your expose ne, your nije ne, your prideness ne, adhere ne yana.
Oh my Ghana baby, we are not a developed country.
Exactly.
We are a developing country. We are in the process. So we can't compare our situation to Germany. We can never compare our situation to France. We can't compare our situation to Spain.
Okay.
This is the case, sir. The citizen will say, we are investing into football, which is not fetching us back money. And there is an apathy. Ghana Black Stars, you almost supported Black Stars. Meanwhile, Black Stars, So the fact that you are Ghanaian simply means that you are also a stakeholder of the Black Stars because we pay taxes and taxes near Tiano and now we are investing our national team. So the point is, baby, our mind bedroom. I see the be say yen scan. See a tournament. Na see better invest sika e be bro ye target ni so dia. Then for me, it doesn't make sense. For me, it doesn't make sense because now the price tag. Na say the ultimate here $2 million. So $2 million there be a yesu. So our money ye niska and this is a national team. This is not a club, a national team. Our money there. FA and they're running national teams, but Abain is the sole property of the government. And every scabby baby on our national team will be it comes from the coffers of the government, which are Minumi and we are part of the government. And Tigwakwe is Casamna Yaka, the young people situation, and compare Germany because 2014 World Cup in Brazil, Germany Kwaje. I understand, say, even Sikao Munya ye, and Nano, Omodo charity. Because omo a developed country players nankasa earnings omo nya ye nyina no omo de go charity because omo feel say sika no enya omo problem because Germany omo man no a develop ye ntimi fia ho endo to omo entimi de me kan nyina ne say ye ho the price money which is $2 million. We are fighting for that $2 million because nation bia na say chanting bia or Algeria bia no the target is to get that $2 million. Fine. Say you targeted $2 million then we should also operate in our means. In other words, I was say every incentive Sakwakuma come from this week. So I was saying penny players need transfer and the technical team need transfer no motivate to it should be within this $2 million. Oh yes, and not for now. Promise to be on Modema boys now. Get to the finals, get the ultimate trophy for us, and we are going to share among maybe $1 million to you, the players.
Ghana versus Portugal.
Yeah.
Ghana versus Uruguay.
Yeah.
And then Ghana versus South Korea.
South Korea. Yeah.
I think now Obia can wasam. Ya Bobo Obia Ria. Now said the whole Ghanaian. I think Kudus Muhammad. Now your man used Kudus Muhammad. I were almost stars near the idea, but as of now, me who saw Baba Kukra post to Kofi Koji. I want stars. Yeah. So it means that this is a particular tournament.
Yeah.
Obia Drenis
enthusiasm.
Yes, I am coming back to I am coming back to you.
Yeah.
They are discussing. I mean deviate.
Okay.
Tournament biya and then asama ye can found and now he a bit debate chini no bit debate. There's a competition now. Yes, I don't know if it now is being sanctioned by FIFA. Because first time you're being sanctioned by FIFA, yeah, and you organize your neighbor. Into I had to say, young funny in my boys, no more nyamra. What do you say? Yeah, let's spend all the money on the God boys in here can more because you called the motives are boys and the coin trophy. No, me kind of question. Boys be brave. Motive no more.
Asma who came here. After the next 3 tournaments are gonna be Ghana will run at a deficit as a country. As I can a serious matter. Kwaku, who can say you are walker? Any penalty so players need demand this say is Cassidy they call budget they call a walk up or Katan. Who would your money here? And it was very serious. The ambassador buyer on radio on sports various media spaces in sports programs. A big crowd was Black Stars no communal walk up because we are not going to make any impact. And then you're spending this huge sum of amount of money. That was where we got to when we were going to the World Cup in Qatar. Tijameme can say, Kwaku said, and then Rasidi can Yenyako. Oh, yes, Yenyako. Kwaku say, if you are going to fight for $2 million, now see a beba Kofi with empty hands.
Yeah, not for the
now see start spending on the national team.
Me no, me who say. When the tournament was being played in Germany, in Qatar, nobody was talking about seeing him fast.
No. But we got $11.5 million from Qatar.
Oh, of course, yes.
And there is no way you're spending even up to $9 million.
Okay.
So whichever way we look at it, with respect to the World Cup, at least we brought some coins from That is my point.
Tintim first getting my boys. No,
because when you see,
yeah,
okay. Omunsho hoye, no mun because my took contingent people can go to more general. That has been my problem, my headache all day. Kwaku, hey, now see, I look at contingent to call a tournament. Now, what to be this class said the player would not pitch this nobody didn't go. Hey, serious. Kwaku, I'm interested in Premier League in bear 5 minutes with that 5 million,
Pastor 3.
Kwaku, my memo, Coach Cassidy Mangalabaso. I'm saying, apparently, this season, last season, crossing in your Betesa. Or FA Cup final, when he has to folk. Bichim. Yes, Bichim. He took the magic of a 3-year ban you Kumasi. Enna, yeah, Kalama Mankwana has to folk. A different day, sir, FA Cup title last season. But this season still, Papa air picket. Because for you to score the City 3-1 hour cry, Kwaku is not just a mere achievement. And the team is being coached by an experienced coach in the shape of Coach Masoro Konedu. And so Kasim Mengo, very good coach though, but what me quite the City sir. Echese Omuye Juma and once again Clinton Duodu, that OT boy, won the man of the match. I think Emmanuel Avenor and Hafiz Konkoni were all on target. And now Bechema on the third.
Okosku Ben.
Oti Clinton Duodu. Yeah, why is boy?
Yeah, no. Yes. That fair boy, no.
Yeah, that fair boy. That winger. Ntiesi Beche climb up a second position. What it means is that say Bruno teams this season go bedding. Adriana won a standing game. Say the Bechem kwana abo won
by Bechem yanka bono for no.
Okay.
Yeah, half.
Okay. Yeah. Say Adriana stars were 24, Bechem about 23 points. Our other second. Accra Lions 22, toss 3. Asante got toss 4, 21. House of Oak toss 5th, 21. If you have first 5 now, very tough. Now Sunday, media money House of Oak game no. Example. Yeah. Right, okay. This season, media man mentioned them who years are.
Agyenkwa 101.9.
What he said he has been there.
Yes.
Even under Coach Duncan Kwanwo. But when coach be there, man with me here. But the whole media man so we want a substantive coach. No, must really get to call the assistant coach. I mean the coaching role. No. Before said this time, say media man man Omar Rabia obet my Jumano. But this is a media man shedan too impressive there because fine, we had league table now. Media man also 11th. 11th. Out of 13 games I media man won. Omar winning 5. I draw 2 and lose 6. So Omar lose more than they've won, which is negative. And which is not a positive sign for media man. Omar 11 goals. I consider 13 minus 2, which is also bad. House of Folk on the other side, and so winning 5, sir. But House, they are drawing in the doors. Omar draw 6, Omar lose 2. Omar 15 goals, I consider 11, plus of 4 goals. Based on statistics, House of Folk, was so catching media, but the venue now has a corner, TNA on Kwaku, a hoarding. I don't remember the last time I don't remember the last time House of Folk won in Takwa.
Okay.
Mekai and the Kumigo be a neighbor Koshaye. 6-7 years ago, and House of Folk but that venue is a very difficult. If it's a match in your draw, I think it wouldn't be bad for House of Folk. Right. And Kotoko and Kotoku Royals.
Yeah.
Said okay, we're 5-0, 4-0. Coach Zebu, this season, your man said down 5. Said the team in Bobo, and yes, like supporters, no, or panel. 80 Kotoku Royals are Kwaku watches 6 goals, I consider 18 goals. We have the table, so I want the trust or 7 points to Kumase. Kwaku match with the main campus.
Okay. Governor some best Kotoko, Krobia. About your number 20, our Jumedia, so now all the comments about. Ebi awat bibi e dia fa sanzi kotoko na we game no Rashid mumianya ne kakra 6-7 nyare
media na eno ana Philip aka no
but we say Morocco
101.9 no and I say Morocco national team prior to the World Cup ye ka African teams are na competitive even proceed from the group stage sir na from Morocco nka ho by experience kabebo Senegal din
ba mo kono mo form but who's a World Cup bring your form awo.
Okay.
The competition proper na ye can.
The competition proper. Yeah, the soon be about World Cup. Internet be can say, against African team be a bit progressive from the quarterfinals. And it took a team from nowhere. I am Morocco to me a boy. I'm Africa. It's me again is a Kesano. And I says Agyenkwa. Now, over African footballer. Morocco, Esa and say, not on one share pentino, they are dominating in every field of football in African terrain. Their senior side, their women's football, even their youth football. Everyone was say the current China Ecosi, Morocco has won and defended it. The only black African country, meka blacker African country, ye kalane to the only our team at the Chan tournament since its invention in the year 2009, DR Congo. Now, the Black Galaxies.
Congo won against Ghana.
They have won it 2 times.
But the first one, the maiden edition, Congo.
Yeah.
Now, I thought I was there, football in sports stadium. Muntakama Bresno. So,
the entire makers are say the Chan team, Bona ye Bono, and Nimho in FIFA, Echino, everything is not clicking. Even ye team no.
Okay.
Say ye see a Kanya. Utimu say ye can't go, sir. Send your Manchester United, lucky goals. Esanse omuni a target man no. Sana Ghana koye. The Black Galaxies are solely dependent on our branch friend Diego Costa, a free Barnier, and now
Agyenkwa
the match against Niger, a free Barnier Mobi. Sa upa say who Niger national team here. Don't underrate them. And found against Cameroon. Oman team a dominant forces in the first half. Emra second half. Omutimi nya that goal in the 52nd minute against Cameroon. Ghana Echo Yechero enye in FIFA afena taus no e click kakra. Enim ho. Abrante e friend free Bania the Black Galaxies e do money atone so no odo so emobi. Eye won say Oman friend Madagascar. Everyone say Oman friend Mauritius. Sidi, ye ka football and kasa man me enu nkan for mon ka ho. Nti dey na si. Nti no, you need a proper management and a proper planning.
I mean, the truth is the mindset of our players, our technical team, what they call this battle no. And then Emma and Roman Faye, we have qualified all right. In American, I say sika. And they have shown it. Yatio Kruma say.
Look at 2014 World Cup. It's you can't Ghana. You can't a blaster. You can't Ghana footballer. It's all about money. Psychologically, Ubenya French national team, Ubenya the Diamantschap, Ubenya the Dutch national team, Omabo and highest level. Omokoba a golden tournament. Ye wo stages I can't trouble. It's a Ghana person recognized as one of the big horses in African footballer. Yaji Afcon on 4 occasions. Even Yakobo tournament here, players appearance fee home. Ubenya Emmanuel Macron, the cancer France national team say, until you get to the semi-finals, you will never see me at Qatar to support you. France national team, no, the Diamantschap, the Brazil national team, at this moment the semi-finals, and San said to Omoka. So the GFA president, and internet be a metrasia. I always
we are saying that we are looking at the 2 countries, and the countries are added to Ghana. We are from a poor country. Poor. You understand it? Our background.
See this, Meka Germany, Uko PM Europe, Over Africa, Ghana to say Germany, or Europe, in Africa. Ghana, over African continent, it's say Germany, it's say Italy. By the Afcons, I had it's say Germany, it's say Italy.
It in Ghana never.
Debbie, sir, walk up on my say.
Okay. Nobody economy now.
Comparatively.
Oh, okay.
Silence here.
Okay.
Now see the missing formula.
I like that.
The World Cup. I want to say, Kwaku Palmer, the president of Tema Youth, a year and ya send a player Joseph Pensay and Fananco World Cup. What kind of entire? Players to be an year who is someone Bobo, Joseph Pencil, all the 26-man squad, I'm going to say, I can't about the Black Stars of Ghana. Not even the Golden Boy Kudus Mohammed was on form. A child branch friend Joseph Pencil. Nanso, Yenya, Papa friend Kwaku Palmer, Esa Ket, and him said the next GFA election, or better me contending into no, oh man, boy. Or no entertain man and walk up in be a son sabet me up everywhere no I'm a big things me at me abetono. Morocco national team. Omuko PM no na Morocco any team bia oh bia but after the World Cup in the transfer. Yenya Brantia, Yefreno, Sofan Amrabat, Oka Mudiam Row, a Brantia or boy against France. Yenya teams like a 70 or more penal. A Brantia friend Azedin, Onihe, a Brantia or Angers.
Okay.
Finally, Olympic Marcel Etimia submitted offer. Nyango Poya Duma by Monday, a Brantia Etimia silly move from Angers to one of the biggest teams in French football. Mohamed Kudus from Ajax. Yenyanti yesa Southampton, Everton, teams like Seno, Borussia Dortmund, Epeno. Data World Cup no open doors for so many players. Okay, in the year 2006.
The World Cup, you are free ban
Zurich. Intino. Player, I am there. And France were English born.
Okay.
A brand friend Anthony Sedon Sameyo. Okay, say ne papa. No say I can't edit my Kwaku United.
Oh, okay.
Ne papa. Mr. Larry, no a former United player.
Okay.
Intino, and ne day World Cup no Sameyo ko World Cup no went to me enough playing time by Yaka Ghana national team na. With me appear or Qatar.
Okay.
Intino at Bristol United, no any player no so many numbers in terms of match playing. In the year 2017-2018, and was at Bristol from the academy no professional football contract at Bristol.
Okay.
With me echo loan our Bar City in the year 2018, 2019 we called Newport County, 2020 Sunderland. Finally, but just in loan, the numbers inside impressive. 112 matches for Bristol. With me as 16 goals.
Okay.
Into the end of the day, it's a good sign for the Ghana national team. A brand friend Banier to Zurich, a brand friend Sameyon to Timaya Benmoff. Yes, also any brand friend Kudus Mohammed, a Borussia Dortmund for a panel. The reasons are Papa, your friend Kwaku Palmer, the Osun, some brand friend Joseph Peso, and that
Kobenyeska, Sikano Norgino, at least okay now.
Say Bristol to Benmoff.
Okay, we shan't be a phone line out to Joe MC, but Chairman also Fadi and Kakrana.
Yeah, come with you. Yeah, that's it. My mentor was Miana, me birthday wishes not to us. Come with you. Yakopo watching a house. Yeah, birthday wishes near to us. I see Miana, me birthday, me birthday. Miana, me to us. Come with you. Yakopo watching a house. And so media and a ebo a compact. The entire media phone or more Casane, so almost say so many years and Baho intimate and fire. The last time
Total Sports.
Fire Canada to Hersh Town and a house called media and so me anti Ekano. And then it's all has a team numa or more qua or the 18-man squad and Omedekoi. Now a bimum media for supporters in the Ekas will be a mobile crowd players in Ukraine and so it's mobile be a new crab pranas baby players better on the ball. It's been transient and Musamo says, see, we never call and players better has a sign. And then the air corner, 18-man squad pepe, a big gram Morosokra, because last week again Dream Set FA Cup, 16-man squad pepe or the boy, and so check here. League in a start and sign this way and a house and so a year and the minimum the entire house and to me I'm Masa players women and also and me I'm play some of with you house and say almost say 2022-2023 league you know on the ball player like Fraser Adams yen name what Abo Okoye trials and so PAG or me 15 hold on was Sanson Eric Oforienti I want also Esweba Sanson Korea Swift Wafa Zakaria Yakubu Yasan watching Wisdom Junior Kaba Eric Eso Sanson Prince Gideon Asante Bio Sasuna Marvin on to Wafa and so by Sasuna Jonathan Mensah Ablante friend Linda and Tanzania and so by BBC can be and so at my house and so do no place so many more now and just walk one muna and ya kunya mobile ya son watching Akem Sanso Rico for entry so Konedu Yado Wemuna Akem and so no I had den and so the man has a bit of ready players and so the Kwaku ball league is also no ya boy and do take when you are my test on one more a free team. Yeah, best starting on Omiedi nkomo kakra ade fa Patrick Razak and wasa konenchi akwakosi akan enso ede ama division 2 team e Eastern region players we mo na has enso eje omo kwan minim de enti enkoye krom ye bebo liga yetimi de players 17 18 20 kwan eje omo nyina kwan na esa kofa be kokofo ma begum no o meso ball no mo ntimi mo ene no na aye den ede ama has say coach Matic ebetimi already players enso ede abo the likes of William Denchi Patrick Razak Suleiman Tali and Saboche omo de ma omo ton ma Samates and wonso atukan enso akwakosi mu Ethiopia sasa
eliminate nso so ko US Cincinnati Richie Bedu ono akasa player o maton no enso so e de amasama to Kofi Koji onso so omo de ne omo ton no ma ne ko Lagos manafo ma enso so de ne ache RTU Lawis Mala Inok Ado sanso na Blantier aye friend no Isaibu Abu ene ko enso atema o ne Jem Fifi enso dem a Michel Sapon enei Dream Sense no mbo wie na has enso anya malo enso e Dream Sense Michel Sapon enso ko sanso na James Wanu omo nyina from Arase James Wanu onso so ebo ne ball enso so wasamate say low sanso na Munilu Hakman onso so ye loan sanso na Blantier aye friend Muhammad wure opokum nyina enso so e buy place omo nyina enso so etimi e de etimi e ko nti ya kan hu say next time the place be ba and I say ku coach na bana be sign some make sure say sign some ba be no metima e sign some betima de betima bo ma me wo be che United for abaso o ma ya de because what me call Accra Sports let me call say Lagos City black 3-2 there a Blantier a friend continue do Avanyo sanso na afis konkoni no mu United say 3-2 bo be che United me mo ma baso o ma ya de ye papa nti no kam sidi me be ti na me anka me boss enso aba beto so ne ye me anka me nua ba birthday a friend Belinda to quarter for a friend Bella one into a beer boutique your young girl and to so na on that so come see this one no Bella one to quarter for come see this one no
Ionia
me nya ba me na what was a bassy in your friend was in
Ionia
come see me nya ma
wetin na da mpaso Ionia what's a bassy nia that be sometimes or man crown or to dedication that's what can be man into
come see you say
your day
onye me bibia come see we me ba etino je friend Bella one to kwa obie ono akase boutique or ta format
etire nkwa
etino happy birthday happy birthday kese enkoma Bella one boutique saloon ayo wo udi ta format so a e ho ana wo ntinya kopon kwaso na wo hia no many that say there be boutique saloon sanso na ene esa ya me akasem nipa Gabi into kwatafo a fashion nyina tafofo nyina okwa YP jaro dress no on da so no into no so ko kepole etinya kopon kwaso no hia pia bi kese enkoma Gabi
yara say ebusia mama yentie madwenkyere but pitin better say Razak Motoyesi says you call Bazooka FC you be missing it pa Asante Kotoko so ene ye Kotokuro Royals ayo Chinachi game no say hu pa Asante Kotoko conference on meshemo all right yentie madwenkyere 0204 90 56 55 0204 90 56 55 with me Edward Adventure Ediaba Black Galaxies Ochina 7 na ye ball against Niger also obet me Edward Adventure so et me Eddie Afaho Diaba Mediama so Ochina asa house folk omo ebe hwe omo from ewo eye takwa akompa ni nyina obet me adwane na fe Edward Adventure Ediaba 0596 2489 59 0596 2489 I have 59. You be a man at as usual on Fridays. Now also so Odo Adventure no et me at but Obian journey feeding but still na games na Airbus no medium interest Kotokuro Royals game e be 6 p.m. watching echi ni akore almost omo point no omo be start agene china echi e Kumasi ya medium so say omo ni house ni said yes most pack I had so no cause hard times so jai nti ochina so de e the same people but join 0596 2489 59 0596 2489 59 and then 02